Hi everyone, it's Andy. Today I'm going to be talking about expository essays using my class at Washburn University, which is in the intensive English program. However, we do not follow the Common Core standards, but we are a public institution, and the intensive English program does build upon itself the skills that students need to progress through the program. For example, international students will take a placement test when they first arrive to Washburn, and if they're placed in 074, then they're at the very basic level and need to work on sentence creation and structure. So they'll study verbs, nouns, pronouns, and so forth. Then they'll progress to 104, which will start building on foundational writing of small paragraphs and research skills, basic research skills. They'll then move on to 204, which will help students to get up to the undergraduate level for writing. The class that I teach is 294, which is the pre-graduate program writing class, and something we talk about there is the very important need to learn about expository paragraphs, which we'll be learning about today. So a snapshot here of my syllabus. Here you can see some of our learning outcomes, expository essay, learning about transition words, and so on. Also a lot of critical thinking going on here, analyzing, demonstrating, and so forth. We'll have 5 activities today, and I'll talk more about those when we get to them. I'm kind of going quickly through this because today I use something called Jing from TechSmith, which is free but only allows a 5-minute video. So my screencast is going to be quick. Here we have my fancy introductory slide, and we get right into expository writing. It's writing that explains, obviously, and it needs to provide specific information and organize that information. So my first activity, I want to break the students into groups and then have them write down what they think explaining does, helps them to do, and then a representative of each group will come and write them on the board. Okay, this will start to get the students thinking, improving their awareness of critical thinking, and we'll be able to practice abstract thought. So like our reading suggests for this class, abstract thought needs training. So then we'll have discussion afterwards about what is it? What is expository writing? How does explaining help us become critical thinkers? The second area that we really want to focus on is sequence. How to organize and structure a logical expository essay. So we'll talk about the levels that you need to create expository essay, and then this activity, these are supposed to be over here. I was playing with it earlier, and students are to, one will come to the board for the second activity and organize the structure of expository essay. Simple, but helps to reinforce the point. Then we're going to expand on the expository essay writing scaffolding here. So we're getting in more details, and we'll also want students to organize this on their own. So each student will have some cutouts, and they'll organize it themselves, and one student will come to the board and model the correct organization for the expository paragraph outline. Okay, that's our third activity. Pretty simple and easy, but helps to reinforce our work and model the behaviors we want reproduced. Secondly, or let's see, not secondly, but next we will be studying the outline, and we'll be putting actual information inside there. And for the fourth activity, we want a student to come up to the board and click on the text and type in their own outline, and we'll have each student do their own. And then we'll talk about good topic sentences and transition words that are found in their textbook there. And then we'll have students understand that a thesis topic is very much like a topic sentence. And each one of these students will be given a worksheet that they'll work through, and then we'll have a brainstorm here, little graphic I designed, and then we'll do some pre-writing topics, and we'll have one student come to the board and circle the list. And that will be the last activity, which will then prompt them to start their essays. Thanks.